Hello everybody, it's Big Fat Crypto Guy. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry that I haven't been on a bit much. I've had a lot of work commitments, I've been in hospital and all that stuff. Anyway, it's the latest update from my sort of channel because I'm still doing this when I can. Like I said, I've been busy with work, been in hospital in and out for the last month, blood tests and all that lot, so it's been a bit of fun. Anyway, enough of that. So, this is a 1070 Zotac 1070 Mini. Graphics prices are coming down a lot now. I mean, they were something like £600 or £700 back in January. I'm picking them up for just shy of £300 now. I'm picked up two. Well, I'm back to Ethereum mining. I'm making 0.6 Ethereum each month with the cards I've got there. I've only got one installed now. I only ordered one, another one last night. I now have the three 1070 the three 1050 Ti's still installed on the machine. I've got the five 580s. I've got the four 1060s all on one machine, and obviously that one 1070 Ti. Sorry, not Ti, 1070. So what I'm planning to do is I'm looking to just expand out my current rigs at the moment. I'm getting 310 mega hashes thereabout on Ethereum. Obviously Ethereum, catching up with the news, Ethereum's now supporting the ASIC the ASIC sort of thing, which Bitmain have come out, which I don't think it's worth it, if I'm being honest with you. Yeah, you can buy a big machine. I mean, when it first came out it was $800, now it's $2,150. It doesn't seem worth it when you can get 5 1080 Ti's and have the same sort of hash rate as a Bitmain machine. But it's I won't be buying it. I am looking for a Bitmain ASIC miner to put on in here, but you know, I'm not 100% confident with it. Moving on to my next thing. Earlier in the year, I said to myself, oh, what am I going to do with energy and being renewable and everything? So I've gone and brought one solar panel at the moment. I'm just testing something. It's a solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel at the moment, and I'm going to place it on this roof here. I'm going to see how much electric I can generate with this, with an on-grid inverter going back to the house and obviously into here and whatever. So obviously I know I can generate 100 watts through the solar panel, but I'm just looking to start a small set. I got quoted £14,500 for a 2 kilowatt system with no batteries, and that's with installation, so it connects to the fuse board. I have gone on the internet to research how I can connect my solar panels into my mains and how it's going to work. So I worked out I can connect with a power inverter. This is an off-grid one, but I've got an on-grid one coming on Monday. And basically what that will allow me to do, it's a 3-pin plug into the electrics, which will plug in over there. I should move everything which is over there. And then no wiring to the fuse board, so it's straight back in. We'll obviously go into that to work out how many watts I am generating from the machines. I won't need that because obviously that will have a negative effect on the battery, the inverter. So I won't be having that, but that's only for batteries, and that'll be later on in the system when I get batteries, when I get everything like that. And obviously I've got me cables and everything. However, as per all UK companies, they never send you anything at the same time. Ordered solar panels and this on the same day. Solar panels never arrived, so I'm gonna have some fun getting that back up. Anyway, that's the Big Fat Crypto Guy. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry about the delay in getting back to everybody. Thank you very much.